Threema is a proprietary encrypted instant messaging application for iOS, Android and Windows Phone. In addition to text messaging, users can send multimedia, locations, voice messages and files. The name Threema is an acronym for EEEMA and stands for End-to-End Encrypting Messaging Application. Threema is developed by the Swiss company Threema GmbH. The servers are located in Switzerland and the development is based in the Saar-Quartier metropolitan area. As of June 2015, Threema had 3.5 million users, most of them from German-speaking countries. History: Threema was founded in December 2012 by Manuel Kasper. The company was initially called Kasper Systems GmbH. Martin Blatter and Sylvain Engler were later recruited to develop an Android application that was released in early 2013. In summer 2013, the Snowden leaks helped create an interest in Threema, boosting the user numbers to the hundreds of thousands. When Facebook took over WhatsApp in February 2014, Threema got 200,000 new users, doubling its user base in 24 hours. Around 80% of those new users came from Germany. By March 2014 Threema had 1.2 million users. In spring 2014, operations have been transferred to the newly created Threema GmbH. Features: Threema uses a user ID, created after the initial app launch by a random generator, instead of requiring a linked email address or phone number to send messages. It is possible to find other users by phone numbers if the user allows the app to synchronize their address book. Users can send text messages, multimedia, locations, voice messages and files of any type. It is also possible to create polls and personal or group chats. On March 20, 2015, Threema released a gateway for companies. Similar to an SMS gateway, businesses can use it to send messages to their users who have Threema installed. The code for the Threema Gateway SDK is open for developers and available on GitHub. Security and privacy: the entire communication via Threema is end-to-end encrypted. During the initial setup, the application generates a key pair and sends the public key to the server while keeping the private key on the user's device. The application then encrypts all messages and files that are sent to other Threema users with their respective public keys. Once a message is delivered successfully, it is immediately deleted from the servers. The encryption process used by Threema is based on the open-source library NaCl library. Threema uses the asymmetric ECC-based encryption, with 256-bit strength. Threema offers a validation logging feature that makes it possible to confirm that messages sent via Threema are end-to-end encrypted using the NaCl networking and cryptography library. Users can verify the identity of their Threema contacts by scanning their QR code, when they meet physically. The QR code contains the public key of the users. Using this feature, the users can make sure they have the correct public key from their chat partners, which provides security against a man-in-the-middle attack. Threema knows 3 levels of verification. The verification level of each contact is displayed in the Threema application as dots next to the corresponding contact. Reception: in February 2014, a German consumer safety group called Stiftung Arrentist evaluated WhatsApp, Threema, Telegram, BlackBerry Messenger and Line. Stiftung Arrentist concluded that Threema was the most secure messenger compared to the 5 others. Along with CryptoCat and Surespot, Threema was ranked first in a study evaluating the security and usability of instant messaging encryption software, conducted by the German PSW Group in June 2014. In November 2014 Threema scored 5 out of 7 points on the Electronic Frontier Foundation's Secure Messaging Scorecard. It received points for having communications encrypted in transit, having communications encrypted with keys the provider doesn't have access to, making it possible for users to independently verify their correspondents' identities, having past communications secure if the keys are stolen, and having its security design well documented. It lost points because its source code is not open for independent review and because there has not been a recent independent security audit. In October 2014, Threema won the Connect App Awards 2014 for being the best app of the year. In December 2014, Apple awarded Threema for best-selling iOS app of the year 2014 in Germany. References. External links: Threema Cryptography White Paper.